Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? I don't know what time it is, you know. The Dan is back in the lab, you know. That's what I do today. Today we got two iconic duo. When them man link up and make bangers. You see me? I say from what? Wait, blessings. What I saying do? What I saying do? Beach house. You don't know, them man make hits 10 times they link up. You see me? The way I would know that Kranium and Masicka, the one of them cut the link. This is the visualizer. Hopefully them drop a video soon. You see me? But we have to check out the one, man. This is an iconic duo, you know, man. When the man link up, it's an epic thing, you know. You see me? I say, so now we'll be vibe much longer. I jump right in the chat. This is Kranium Masicka. Cut the link. Let's get it.
The Lord protect me from my friends. Make them turn your enemies. The Lord protect me from my friends.
Oh my gosh. That's the opening lines, man. Come on, man. The song never started. Oh, come on. Pull up. Pull up that. Yeah. Yeah, man.
The Lord protect me from my friends. Make them turn your enemies.
Oh, man, protect you from a friend. Quick them turn your enemies. Come to
protect me from my friends.
Yeah, man.
Turn your enemies. The Lord protect me from my friends. Come ready for me enemies.
Yeah, man. Lord protect me from my friends. Come ready for me enemy. Talk truth now, man. Yeah, man. God protect me from my friend them, you know. Cause then one day, you not really pay attention. Enemy you watch, you know. But sometimes you have to watch your friend them too, you know.
Everything you do for them. If I don't say I pussy them.
Woo!
And every time you try to teach them, there's a thing them go like say you not help them. You give them everything them ask for, and they end up turning back, yeah.
No sir, Kranium, why you do that? Kranium, why you keep doing this? You should not be getting away with this, bro. This is criminal what you be doing, bro. You be making some buggers, nigga. You come in so smooth and deadly. Them feel lock you up, you. Jesus and peace. Listen, man.
There's a thing them go like say you not help.
Got you.
You give them everything them ask for, and they end up turning back, yeah.
Woo-hoo.
No one know. Man can't tame them.
Yeah, man, you give them then still can let yo, you can't tame mankind, you know. Hey, go on.
No one know. Man can't tame them. Them why you die. Me realize them want the only place where you reside. Me cut the link, I know the deal, yeah.
Cut the link, man, I load it. Come true.
The only place where you reside. Me cut the link, I know the deal, yeah. Wednesdays will live with. My God, he always pray each day. Lost my luck with mankind. Just so the people
can see. Yo, easy now, man. Go on through. What you say, Kranium? What you say?
I always pray each day. Lost my luck with mankind. Just so the play can see.
Yeah, man. Mother pay every day, man. What she say? Lost your luck with mankind, man. That's how the pay gone there.
My God, he always pray each day. Lost my luck with mankind. Just so the play can see. Switch, I left my coal in my heart space. Some find home in a dark place. Mommy envy and showing on my dark face.
Man say, yo, friend switch and left me in a cold place. So me dwell. Wait, go on through.
Heart space.
Blows and skirt, go on through.
Friend switch, I left my coal in my heart space. Some find home in a dark place. Mommy envy.
Friend switch and left me cool in my heart space. So me find home in a dark place. Come through no, man.
Heart space. Some find home in a dark place. Mommy envy and showing them a dark face. Give them a last and them want some last days. If some
say mommy envy and showing them a dark face, you know. Give them a last and they want to see a last day. Wait.
Them a dark face. Give them a last and them want some last days. If somebody tell me say you woulda switch from me.
Like that. Yeah, man, if somebody that tell me say you would have switched for me, I say I lie that. Yeah, man, if somebody that tell me say family that turn their back on it, I say I lie. I tell don't talk about my family. Yeah, man, come true. Culture.
Friend,
Attack.
what kind of style of the dream farmer? And you want me island? We coulda buy out the whole scheme.
The tune body, no? Yeah.
My friend, what kind of style of the dream farmer? And you want me island?
What kind of style of the dream and forward? And you want me lock? Eh? Move
We
up.
coulda buy out the whole scheme. But you want my mother buy black. Them fuck.
Coulda buy out the whole scheme, but you want my mother buy black. Eh? That's so wicked. Eh? Don't make that go over your head, man. You see me, man? So I coulda buy out the whole scheme, but you want my mother buy black. Why? I buy black and smell for bigger grave when you can buy out the whole scheme and make everybody lavish all enough for that. Just follow. I don't know. Just follow the thing. Yeah. You see me, just stick with the program.
Cut the whole dream. Run down sugar, you no mind. Them why you die. We realize. Them want found the place where you reside. No drop me God, no left my side. Yeah. Wednesdays will this way. My God, he always pray each day. Lost my luck with mankind. Just so the pagans see.
Easy now, man.
Wednesdays will this way. My God, he always pray each day. Lost my luck with mankind. Just so the pagans see.
Hey, don't take it to yours. I don't saw them turn. You see me, I say. Hard corrupt and mucky, they don't know no better. Who know better, do better. You see me?
Watch what you a do, watch what you a say.
Yeah.
Them want you fall every day. Watch what you
I do what you are say. Hey.
a do, watch what you a say. Them want you fall every day. Wednesdays will this way. My God, he always pray each day. Lost my luck with
Mankind.
mankind. Just so the pagans stay. Wednesdays will this way.
That's how I keep to myself, you
My
know.
God, he
Hey.
always pray each day. Lost my luck with mankind. Just so the pagans stay.
Yeah, man. Tune a bad man. Playlist tune this man. That is it. Yeah, man. That mafia. Big up on the damn self. You see me? Yeah, man. Just stay focused and work on the dreams and the goals. Don't watch people. Don't watch pagans. You see me? I say. Yeah, man. Don't watch people. Make people go and talk while you just put in the work and do your thing. Yeah, man. Just do right. You see me? Do unto others as you like them do unto you. You see me? And just make your light shine. Who don't want to see, you know? No matter how much good you know, people go always, some people just go and see the bad now, you know. But you don't watch them, but just keep doing the good and just do, you know? Do you. Don't make them change you and rotate. Yeah, man. And some people never see the light, so don't try to prove yourself. I try to get acceptance and understanding from no one. You see me? I say? Just know yourself. You see, once you know yourself, that are the best thing. You see me? I say? Nobody no need to know you. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Just do right. Yeah? Anyway, I'm not going out too much around. But anyway, gang, till next time. You don't know, your boy Jambisco. Drop your requests, drop your comments. Let's talk about it. Let's chop it up. All that good stuff, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.